Do you think West Palm Beach might be the new place for you? Come with me as we check out all my favorite spots and things to do around the city. Welcome to West Palm Beach, a vibrant city where sun-soaked charm meets rich history. Nestled along Florida's Atlantic coast, this tropical paradise has evolved from a quiet pioneer town into a thriving urban oasis. It's a perfect mix of laid-back coastal lifestyle and dynamic city energy, with tons of shopping, vibrant nightlife, and year-round events that bring the community together. First up on our list is Rosemary Square. A vibrant, walkable neighborhood that blends shopping, dining, art, and culture all into one. Here you'll find everything from local artisan pop-ups and shops to nationally recognized brands. Grab a coffee, find your next outfit, or treat yourself to a relaxing spa day. It's all right here. Rosemary Square is also a culinary hotspot. No matter what you're in the mood for, you'll find it here. Some of the restaurants located in the square include El Camino, which is my favorite, Il Bellagio, Ruth Chris Steakhouse, City Cellar Wine Bar and Grill, and many, many more. There's also a diverse shopping experience within the square. You have fashion brands, home and lifestyle brands, and beauty and health. Some to note are Anthropologie, Tommy Bahama, Urban Outfitters, H&M, Lululemon, West Elm, Sur La Table, and the Shade Store. Looking for a sweet treat? Well, this place has you covered. Head on over to the Salty Dog to grab some amazing donuts. If you want something a little healthier, head over to one of my favorite cafes, Pura Vida. They have everything from smoothies to wraps and great salads. Whatever you're up to in the square, it's a great place to bring community together and enjoy the Florida sun. Next up, Clematis Street. Named after the clematis flower, this street was part of Henry Flagler's vision. What began in 1890s as a dirt road lined with general stores has evolved into the city's most iconic destination. It has beautiful views of the Intercoastal, along with weekly events featuring live music, food vendors, and a true taste of local life. If you're looking for a bite to eat, I would recommend E.R. Bradley's. It offers a relaxed tropical ambiance with both indoor and outdoor seating. It also has games to play outside while you wait for a table. To cool off from the Florida sun, head on over to Salone's Ice Cream. This ice cream is homemade in small batches. They serve flavors like Cookie Monster, birthday cake, pistachio, along with giant cookies, fudge brownies, and over-the-top sundaes. It's more than just an ice cream shop. It's a full-on candy-coated fantasy world. From the chandeliers to the toy trains, every corner is designed to make you feel like a kid again. Downtown Clematis also has many rooftops. Check out this place called Capri. It is an Italian-themed bar with beautiful views of the water. It's one of the spots that makes living here feel like vacation. One of the most popular events in downtown Clematis is the West Palm Beach Green Market, the city's beloved Saturday tradition and one of the top farmers markets in the country. Here you'll find everything from organic fruits and vegetables to fresh baked breads, tropical flowers, handmade crafts, clothes, and jewelry. Whether you're a foodie, a local, or just in town for the weekend, the Green Market is a must visit. It's open every Saturday, October through April. Lastly, I'll take you to two of my favorite coffee shops located on South Dixie. First up, we have Hive Bakery and Cafe. If you're looking to treat yourself, head on over to this cafe for some great baked goods and excellent coffee. This elegant cafe is beautiful inside and out and crafted with seasonal, local sourced ingredients. For an everyday spot, head on over to Composition Coffee. This cozy coffee shop has a real sense of community. It's a perfect place to relax, work, or connect with friends. And they have the cutest lattes. That's a wrap on some of my favorite places in West Palm Beach. From sun-soaked beaches to vibrant downtown streets, this city has something for everyone, and it's a perfect place to live or to vacation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Till next time.